What impact did wealth have on the case? When we think about the JonBenét Ramsey murder case, it is hard to ignore the role that wealth played in shaping the investigation and public perception. The tragedy unfolded in Boulder, Colorado, in 1996, and the Ramsey family's significant financial resources had a notable impact on various aspects of the case. First, the Ramseys had the means to hire top-tier legal counsel and private investigators. This access to high-quality legal representation allowed them to navigate the complex investigation more effectively. They could counter accusations and manage public relations in a way that many families without such resources could not. Next, wealth can sometimes create a perception of motive. In this case, speculation arose about whether the crime was financially motivated. However, it is important to note that no concrete evidence supported this theory. The family's affluence led to scrutiny of their lifestyle, which may have influenced how law enforcement and the media approached the investigation. The media coverage surrounding the case was extensive, partly due to the Ramseys' wealth and social standing. This intense scrutiny can affect how evidence is perceived and interpreted by the public. The family's ability to manage this media attention was facilitated by their financial resources, allowing them to control the narrative to some extent. The ongoing investigation and media scrutiny took a toll on the Ramsey family. John Ramsey reportedly sold many of his assets to cope with the financial strain that the case imposed on their lives. This illustrates how the case affected not just their public image but also their personal and financial well-being. In the context of true crime and criminology, the impact of wealth in the JonBenét Ramsey case highlights the challenges that can arise when affluent families are involved in investigations. It emphasizes the need for investigators to remain objective and consider all potential motives and evidence, regardless of the family's financial status. Wealth can shape the dynamics of a case in ways that are not always fair or just, making this case a significant study in the intersection of crime and social class.